Good evening from the 12th floor media room in the Fultz Criminal Justice Center. You know, sometimes trials are affected as much by what the jury does not learn as by what it does. On trial's eve, a ruling in a video of Michael Jackson. The defense of Jackson's doctor asserts it shows Jackson stressed out and with signs of chemical dependence just months before his death. Let's see what you think. Michael Pastor ruled it not relevant, not admissible, a setback for the defense. But leaving court, team member Michael Flanagan said jurors will learn of Jackson's condition from other evidence.
There will be witnesses testify, and probably tomorrow, that Michael Jackson was not in very good shape.
Yes, trial finally is at hand. 2 years, 3 months, and 2 days after the pop legend died suddenly in the upstairs bedroom of the Holmby Hills mansion where he was living. Medication overdose, the coroner found, primarily propofol, the surgical anesthetic being used instead as a sleep aid. Dr. Murray acknowledged administering Jackson a dose, but the defense will argue Jackson woke up and, in desperation to sleep, gave himself another dose, the fatal dose. Attorney and legal analyst Shapiro expects we will hear these themes during opening statements.
The prosecution, of course, is going to say straight out, it doesn't matter if Mr. Jackson administered this himself or not. The doctor created the negligible circumstances that led to this result. The defense, however, is going to say the doctor did everything medically appropriate that he was supposed to. He had all the controlled situations that he needed to have when administering propofol. He didn't administer a negligible amount. The doctor could not foresee somebody self-administering medication.
Jackson's director, Kenny Ortega, will be the first prosecution witness, as he was at the preliminary hearing. Ortega testified then that during rehearsals for the This Is It concerts, some concerns about Jackson's condition were raised, but Ortega thought he would be ready. News video was allowed only at Murray's arraignments. For trial itself, Judge Pastor will allow a live feed from 3 courtroom cameras. This likely will be California's highest profile trial since O.J. Simpson was acquitted 16 years ago. That trial, you may remember, took 8 months. This one is expected to last 5 weeks. And we've learned that the second prosecution witness will be another This Is It executive, the producer Paul Gongaware. No scouting report on him because he did not testify at the preliminary.